Removing the ignition coils and spark plugs on the IS200. We're going to start with the air intake. The air intake is held on by three 10mm bolts at the front. There won't normally be any fixings at the other side, but this has required some self-tapping screws to be fitted. Now the airbox is held on with three 10mm bolts. There are two on the right hand side and one on the left hand side. Now remove the connector here for the airflow sensor. And at the back, remove the accelerator cable from the guides. And now the airbox is just sat on the throttle body. Around here. And remove the breather pipe from there. Now if you only needed to access the coils or spark plugs between 3 and 6, you have access to them, but obviously I'm going to show you how to access all 6. So you need to remove 4 10mm bolts from this plastic cover here, which will gain you access to the first 2. So you've got the connectors for the coils. So pretty much everything is 10mm bolts. The coils are just held in with a single 10mm. It can be lifted straight out. I'm only going to remove the first 2 since they were the ones that were covered up. The other 4, it's self-explanatory how you remove them, and you would have already been able to access them prior to removing the plastic cover. Right, so now you'll need a spark plug socket, and the reason being is that they have this little piece of rubber that grabs the end of the spark plug. However, I don't actually get on with these all the time because the rubbers often fall out. So once the spark plug is loose, if you have a faulty socket, you can use the coil to grab the spark plug, and then you'll want an extension, preferably one a bit longer than this. You'll probably be refitting new spark plugs. The IS200 apparently prefers iridium plugs. When you're refitting them, follow the instructions on the box. They'll usually say something like, once the spark plug is tight at the bottom, to then tighten by 1/4 of a turn. But check the instructions on the box specific to the spark plugs you're fitting.